Hey everyone, I am Tufelo Fanyane, a member of MMM from Lesotho. MMM rocks. On the 8th of March 2016, I requested to provide help of 80,000, which I was allocated to 2 people, and I deposited the funds in their account within 72 hours. On the 24th March 2016, I also requested to get help from the participants, and I was allocated 3 people, and they deposited money into my account within 72 hours, including the referral bonuses. The loyalty of MMM participants really helped us to defeat the unfair financial economy. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, MMM. MMM really pays. Thank you, everyone.